Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to convert a photo to black and white using only Windows 10 and specifically the Photos app. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just right click on the image itself, select Edit with Photos. Select the Filters tab, and then on the right side you want to locate where it says Slate or Mercury. You can play around with it here. You got various shades of black and white basically, but Mercury is probably pretty much the closest one in my mind. Again, you can choose different colors, you can play around with it a bit, but pretty straightforward process here. And then once you're done with whatever your final adjustments are, just select Save a Copy. And then you can choose where on your computer you want to save it to. So pretty straightforward, just saving it to the desktop, trying to keep it pretty simple for today's tutorial. And you can see, there you go guys, pretty straightforward process. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.